So a commerce platform with a built-in framework for customization, that is Medusa, and we'll be looking at Medusa v2.0. And I have already done a video about Medusa 1.x. I'm not sure what version of 1.x that was, but that was done over a year ago. And after exactly a year, they have released version 2 with a completely redesigned user interface and user experience. So this is how we'll be installing Medusa. So use create Medusa app at latest. If you do not have it, go to the docs, right? So there, so we'll be going through installation. Make sure you have a Postgres database already configured. So inside pgadmin, you can see that I've already created a database, and yeah, you don't need to worry about the tables. Just have the database username and password for authentication, and give Medusa access to that database to create the tables, right? So what's the name of project? Let's give it some like test shop. Would you like to create? Yep. And your Postgres username and your Postgres password, and password won't show up. And yep, it'll take a minute, and the installation will be done in about 5 minutes. So let's skip ahead. And here you can see that you have two folders, so test shop and test shop storefront, which is already installed, the default UI. So let me go ahead and run yarn dev and see what we have in store. And before that, I had already created a username and password, which Medusa asks for during installation. So if you guys ever are confused during any step, feel free to leave a comment on my video, right? I'll be happy to help you out. And here, if I go into localhost 8000, you can see that welcome to Medusa and username and password, which I've already created, and continue. And here I have a sleek, beautiful looking admin panel, right? This is the user dashboard, the dashboard of the admin who can create products. I've already created a product. I'm setting this up for another use case, but yeah, these are the fields. Here you can add the images, so you can see everything is redesigned. If you compare it to previous Medusa, this is very user friendly. This is I think using Shatsian components internally, because it does look like that. The card layout is very beautiful. The dark theme, it looks perfect. Very easy, the fonts, everything. So here you have inventory, you have all the usual things, but these options were hidden inside products, but now they are outside on the left menu. And you can create price lists, and we'll be going to the details of this, what each thing is supposed to do. So here in settings, you have all these settings. You can customize the store as per your liking. That's what Medusa basically says. uh, so even they are providing in their website a lot of good NextJS and remix power templates that you can just download and customize it to your liking. You have a very good out of the box functionality with Stripe payments, which unfortunately, by the way, is not supported in India at the moment. And you have, you can use any other, you can customize it as per your liking. Yeah, so here's a storefront. So let me go ahead and do yarn dev, right? So it's saying starting. Let's see what is there. Yep, so here e-commerce starter template powered by Medusa and XJS. As you can see, there are no products here, but if we go into store, yep, so on the left hand side, that is the product that I've added. um if I click on it, I have this. I have the attributes, I have all the information which is already configured in the product section in the admin panel, right? So if you guys ever need a detailed tutorial on all that, I'll be happy to help you out. Yep, so this is the out of the box add to cart. So let's click on go to cart. So here you have the details. You can change the quantity, delete, price, excluding shipping. And yeah, very beautiful. This is too much functionality for just something which is coming out of the box. For a lot of other e-commerce templates, you need to have a lot of custom modules and plugins installed, and some may be paid. but this is entirely free, open source. So here, let's give it test values to see the functionality at work. Currently, I think they are only in some European countries, but that is also something we can modify. So continue to delivery, and here let me click on this continue to payment, and yep, manual payment and place order. That's it. We have successfully placed an order for that particular product, as you can see in the summary. And if I go to the admin dashboard, I can see that my order is here. So this is how you can capture an order and capture a payment from here itself. Right now we have done manual, but you can also do Stripe and card payment. You can integrate Google Pay, Phone Pay, anything. Yeah, so here capture payment, so payment is captured. Remember, this is a test product, this is not the real thing, but yep, this works. And that is what I want to highlight in this video. Subscribe to my channel for more such info, and we'll be seeing in the next video. Thank you.